I'm back with my ReMarkable video, and I know that perhaps I've been doing a lot of reviews of this device, but I honestly love everything about this device. And actually, there was a change. So I had originally purchased the ReMarkable from Best Buy, but then I found this device that I actually have right now, Facebook Market, for $200. And it did come with the ReMarkable leather folio included, which I actually like better than the other one. It's a little bit dirty, but it's because there's like dust on the table. But it's like in perfect working conditions, and I found it for $200, which I thought it was a great deal because honestly, like the folio itself, it's like almost $200 on the ReMarkable website. The only difference is that it doesn't have the pencil plus, so the only difference is that this one doesn't have an eraser whenever you turn it upside down. But yeah, I honestly love this device so much. I have actually found myself not even using my iPad as much as before, because I just wanted a tablet, like, just to write, create, and read. I did not wanted a tablet to like watch YouTube, Netflix, or play games. So if that's something that you do want, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you want something to keep you focused and makes you like be more creative or study more, then I do recommend this device. So basically, I have learned a few more things now that I mess with it like more, that I had it for a while. So basically, I use it like almost every day just to write small notes, and I also do have these notebooks that I created. This one I got it from a YouTube creator, which is called the Morning Pages. Just every morning you write a thought that comes into your mind, and the only rule is that it does have to be positive. I also got the running to-do list from him, which is like an idea of what to write. Basically, with this one, you just write everything that you want to do, and whenever you do that task, you just mark it off, and it has like no ending. You can literally just continue and continue, just like every single thing that comes into your mind that you want to do, you can just write it down. And I also created a commonplace book. A commonplace book is for learning new words, learning quotes, or like quotes that you like, any history facts, or just facts in general. Like, I just write it down there. But yeah, like, and also like the way that it transferred the files from your phone to the tablet, it's very easy to do. They do have an app where you can just transfer all your files. Like, I do have some books here as well that I been reading, Project Hail Mary and other ones that I did include to my library, which eventually I will be reading. But yeah. So yeah, like, if you really like writing and you want to be focused, you don't want any distractions, or reading, I feel like this is the device to go to. The writing experience, honestly, like, is almost like paper, with the exception that you don't have to be carrying a million notebooks with you. You literally have everything in one place. You can also import PDFs, like if you have to review any files, like you can do it on the app and just transfer it to your tablet. But I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of like the stuff you can do. So basically, I'm just gonna write my name so you guys can see to how good it writes. Just a test. And what I like about this is that basically, like, you can always just select something. For example, I'm gonna be selecting this word, and you can resize it, like make it bigger, make it if you also want to turn it into a regular like text font, like if you don't like your writing, I don't have pretty handwriting, but you can literally turn it into an actual text. It's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It is very small. And there's different pencils, but I ended up liking the calligraphy pen the most. But you do have other options that you can select. You have a ballpoint pen, a fine liner, and a highlighter. Also with the highlighter, mine is not the Pro, so this one doesn't show any color. But whenever you transfer your files to your computer or to your phone, you're able to see your highlighted stuff in color. That's just something that I wanted to mention. They also have a pencil. They have a mechanical pencil, calligraphy pen, marker, shader. Shader is pretty nice. You can see it there. They also have the thickness of how you write and a paintbrush. So that one's also nice. I don't use that one as much because I don't, I just do small writing. And then also on this section, you have more options for markers and the eraser, which is not that I'm using that one because of I changed the pencil, but honestly, I most of the time I just use this one to erase. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this device. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, leave them down on your comments, and I will be seeing you guys next time.